Hello everyone, this is Christine from Sun Glory. We can provide A to Z turnkey projects of non-stick cookware. Up to 2023, we have set up 76 A to Z production lines all over the world. Most of our clients recover their costs in 8 to 12 months or 18 to 24 months. 37 of our clients become the #1 in their own market. We have 7 service centers in China, Bangladesh, India, Turkey, Egypt, Algeria, and Mexico. Our engineer can guarantee your daily production. With our know-how, technology support, and the continuous service support, your product can be selling in supermarkets all over the world. We can help you manufacturing all kinds of non-stick cookware, including non-stick pots and pans, rice cooker, baking molds, and other cookware. We can offer you molds, machine, and service. Welcome to Sun Glory Factory. Here beside me is the die casting machine using for making the die casting pot. And this pot is now recently popular in Iran, Turkey, and Egypt. This is our Egyptian client factory. Button induction is very popular. Here is our die casting pot. Here is the induction plate. We will put it together and put inside the mold and testing. And here now our finished product is coming. You can see here is the induction plate with the pot. Then we can put inside the induction cooker to heating by the electricity. Here, let me introduce our master engineer, Mr. Tang, to you.
大家好，我是生产部的厂长庞在超。
Mr. Tang have 27 years experience in non-stick coating line and the powder coating line equipment. He is responsible for coating line and the washing line project. Before the shipping, we will do the trail running and the inspection. If you are interested, please contact us on your own factory. Win more market.